In this short tutorial, I am going to give you a quick and honest review of OKX Wallet, a powerful and secure Web3 wallet by the OKX crypto exchange. What is OKX Wallet? OKX Wallet is a free non-custodial wallet that lets you store, swap, and manage thousands of crypto tokens. It supports 130 plus blockchains and gives access to DeFi, NFT, and dApps all in one place. Key features: multi-chain supports Ethereum, BNB chain, Solana, etc. Built-in DEX and NFT marketplace. Access to DeFi staking and trading bots. Browse extension and mobile app available. Seed phrase and private key control. Pros: non-custodial. You control your crypto, clean interface, easy to navigate. Supports wide range of blockchains and tokens. No KYC required. Cons: some features might be overwhelming for beginners. Occasional app lags or bugs reported. Conclusion: if you are looking for a secure all-in-one crypto wallet with access to DeFi, NFTs, and multiple blockchains, OKX Wallet is a great option. It's especially useful for users who already use the OKX exchange. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews.